This is Meredith. This is the thing new Meredith's eating. Can you tell?
Peas. What do you think, Meredith?
Peas.
You like peas?
Hey Mom, why does
What?
whatever. Never mind.
Meredith, what's up? What do you think? She's not scrunching her nose up. It's a good sign.
What does that mean?
She's not making faces at it. Yay, Meredith!
This is peas. Can you tell a little bit?
Oh!
Ew, ew.
Just not a big fan.
Yeah, this I think is a little too early, probably.
Hi. 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 A boo boo boo. Hi. I want you to be good and full tonight. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Look over here. Say bye-bye.
Wave your hand. Make a wave your hand.
Can you wave? Say bye-bye.
Do I stop it?
Yes.